Let's start working on the second workflow here where we write a string to input topic 2, create the embedding out of it, and then do the similarity search on Zilliz. And then there'll be a separate video where we summarize that data using Bedrock Summary 1, that's AWS Bedrock, using Meta's Llama 3.2. So I'm just going to show the deployment of embed 2 and Zilliz search 1, and then we're going to look at the sim out 1 topic. So for embed 2, I'm going to go ahead and copy this code here for pulsar cuddle functions create. Go ahead and deploy that. That will deploy a function called embed2. And then I'm also going to deploy the pulsar function that does the similarity search. So that's going to deploy a pulsar function that I'm calling, in this case, where is it? Right here, Zilliz search 1. And here we are in StreamNative UI. Here's embed 2 and Zilliz search 1. Both are running with no errors. I'm going to go ahead and publish a message into the topic that will trigger embed 2. And then we'll hop back here and take a look at the message count go up as well as the output topic. So here I'm using the REST API to write a message into input 2, and it'll be I like dogs. So we'll go ahead and execute that. Here in the StreamNative UI, you can see embed 2 and Zilliz search each have one message that's been processed. So embed 2 created the vector, and Zilliz search 1 did the similarity search using the vector. And then the output of the similarity search goes into sim out 1. Here we are in the sim out 1 topic. I've gone to messages, used one of my existing subscriptions. I know there's a backlog of 9 on this one. If I go down to the last one here, this is the similarity search for the I like dogs that I had put in. And we get 2 results back. Dogs like being taken on walks, and dogs come in many breeds. Next, we're going to deploy the pulsar function that's going to take these 2 and complete a summary by using Amazon Bedrock with Meta's Llama 3.2.